Stop wasting $400 on entry-level certifications that recruiters are just going to ignore. Most beginners fall into the same trap where they spend months collecting participation badges that don't actually lead to job offers. In this video, I am breaking down the ultimate cybersecurity certification roadmap for 2026. We are separating the simple time wasters from the true job winners so you can stop guessing and start building a resume that actually gets noticed. A great place many people start is the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate on Coursera, and honestly, it is fantastic. If you are brand new and don't know where to begin, this is arguably one of the best learning experiences out there. It doesn't just give you theory, it actually puts you in front of Python scripts, SQL databases, and SIEM tools. It builds a rock-solid technical foundation that every beginner needs. However, the reality of the job market is that a learning certificate is often seen as a proof of study, rather than a professional credential. It's an amazing first step for your skills, but you usually need something more recognized by HR departments to truly stand out. If you have a larger budget and you want the absolute industry standard to bypass those HR filters, you have to look at the CompTIA Security Plus. For over a decade, this has been the ultimate benchmark for entry-level roles. If a job description asks for a certification, 9 times out of 10, it's this one. It is broad, it is respected, and it is a powerful door opener. The only real downside is the cost, as you are looking at around $400 just for the exam voucher. It's a heavy investment, but it is often considered the job guarantee because it's the most requested cert by employers globally. But what if you want that same level of professional prestige without spending hundreds of dollars? This brings us to a hidden industry secret that is the absolute budget king for 2026. The organization I'm talking about is ISC², the same legends behind the CISSP, which is the gold standard of the entire cybersecurity industry. They created a beginner-specific certification called Certified in Cybersecurity, or simply the CC. While everyone else is only showing certificates from general platforms, you are getting certified by a global professional authority. Through their 1 Million Certified initiative, ISC² often provides the official training and your first exam attempt for free, meaning you only pay a small membership fee once you pass. It is the perfect professional bridge that puts a world-class name on your resume for less than $50. Once you have your foundation, you need to decide which path you actually want to take, because cybersecurity is a massive field. If you are a tech freak who wants to get into the offensive side, also known as the red team, then you should look at the EJPT, or eLearn Security Junior Penetration Tester. This isn't a multiple-choice exam. It is a real-world hack. You get about $250 of value here because you actually have to break into a network to pass. It proves to employers that you don't just know the theory, you can actually do the work. On the other side, if you want to be a defender and work in a Security Operations Center, or SOC, the Blue Team Level 1 is the gold standard for beginners. It costs around $500, but it is arguably the most practical certification for aspiring defenders. It teaches you incident response, digital forensics, and how to use the actual tools you'll use on the job every day. While it's more expensive, it's a career-defining move for anyone who wants to be on the front lines of defense. If I were starting from scratch today, I would combine these strengths to build a profile that recruiters simply can't ignore. First, I would use the Google course to actually learn the technical basics and get comfortable with the tools. Then, I would immediately take the ISC²CC. It is the ultimate budget-friendly way to get a world-class name on your resume for almost no cost. From there, if you have the budget and you see it popping up in every job description in your area, I would go for the CompTIA Security Plus. It's the industry standard for passing HR filters and proves you have the foundational knowledge that every professional is expected to have. But don't stop at theory. Depending on your passion, you should then specialize to show you can actually do the job. If you're a tech freak who wants to get into hacking, go for the EJPT. If you want to be a defender on the front lines of ASOC, invest in the Blue Team Level 1. This combination is the ultimate power move. The Google course gives you the skills, the ISC to CC and Security Plus give you the professional prestige and HR clearance, and the specialized certs prove you can handle real-world attacks. It shows an employer that you aren't just collecting badges, you have a clear direction and the practical expertise to back it up. The goal isn't to collect as many digital certificates as possible. The goal is to choose the ones that prove to an employer that you are serious, professional, and ready to work on day one.